After unpacking, find two supports and install them into the holes on both sides of the machine. Install the connector onto the track with wheels. Do not tighten the screws yet to make it easier to adjust the position. Adjust the screws of the connector so that the track is parallel to the machine belt. You can use a piece of wood to check. The track cannot be higher than the conveyor belt. If the machine model is very long, there is a support in the middle of the track. Install the brace. There are two bottles, which can be filled with glue remover. Installed at the end of the machine, connect the two pipes to the bottles respectively. Find the PVC edge banding bracket. Install the bracket as shown in the video. Connect all dust removal pipes to the holes on the top of the machine, secure with screws. Remove straps from all locations. According to the voltage prompt of the machine, connect the machine to the correct voltage. If you are not sure about the machine voltage, please contact our after-sales service. Use a multimeter to measure whether the voltage is correct. Switches below the screen. The left side is the main power switch of the machine. The middle position is the light switch. The right side is the glue furnace heating switch. Pay attention to the temperature. Only when the temperature reaches above 180摄氏度 can the glue be melted and the machine can work normally. Press up or down to adjust the gantry height. Look at the scale and adjust to the specified height. If you find that the track of your machine is pressed here, you need to plug in the power to the machine first. Press up or down to raise the machine, and take out the track. Place the 1 毫米 fake PVC edge banding on the bracket, with the shiny side of the edge banding facing outwards, and insert it into the machine. Start these functions. First, seal the edges of both sides of the board. After the edges are sealed on both sides, the rounded corner function is activated. Then the edges are sealed on the other two sides, and the corners will have rounded edges.